What's going on, guys? Mama Rug here, and today I have something good for you guys. You know how many times Brandon and Brian, aka Brawadis Rug, pranked me so many times, and I have pranked Brian. Probably I got back at Brian, but Brandon, I haven't done anything, and I was thinking and thinking what to do to him. And today I came up with a good idea after we just finished recording a challenge video for his channel, and there was a nasty drinks involved. And after that, I pretended to be coughing so hard from the drinks because I had something in mind. So they were asking me if I was okay, and I go, yeah, just the drinks that I took, and I don't know what's wrong with me. And what I have in mind is we still have some blood left from Brug's prank on me. You guys all remember he freaked me out. He scared the shit out of me when he pretended he fell in the kitchen and he was bleeding from his head. So I hide the blood, the bottle of blood, for a reason. I thought, okay, why not think about something with this for later? So Brandon's editing his video, we just finished, and I'm gonna start coughing hard, and I'm gonna do it next to his room or in my bathroom, somewhere that he can hear me. And when he walks in to see if I'm okay or not, I'm gonna be coughing blood, and we'll see. I'm not gonna fall down or anything. I'm just gonna be like coughing and spitting blood. So I hope that works. Let's go with me to get the blood from downstairs. I know he's sitting in his room editing. Let's try to do it. I hope he's not gonna see me. Oops, his door is open, so I'm gonna have to stop recording for now. Hey, Bosley. How you doing? What you doing sitting right there? What you doing? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna scare Brandon. Yeah. You wanna go with me upstairs? You wanna go for a walk? No. Did you eat all your food with treat? Oh, you look tired. You look so tired. Okay, guys. Let me get the bottle and pour some in the cup. I hide the bottle over here. Here's the bottle, and I need a cup. Hold on. Wait, where's the cup? I'm just gonna pour some blood in this cup and take it upstairs with me and go to my bathroom and start coughing hard. God, this is legit. Look like real blood. Okay, I'm gonna hide the bottle so he won't. Well, I'm not gonna do it downstairs, but still, ew. Okay, upstairs. Oops. Okay, so I'm taking the cup with me upstairs. I'm gonna go somewhere, I don't know, I'm gonna set up the camera somewhere that he won't find it, and then I'm gonna start coughing and making noises, and we'll see how it's gonna go. Wish me luck. Okay, I think this is a good angle, and I'm gonna be like just throwing up or spitting blood. I think I need something higher than that. Okay, I'm gonna see. I think he's in the loft now. This is closer to my room. So I'm gonna start coughing really hard. But hold on, let me set up the camera really good. Oh, hold on. I think he's coming. He's coming. Okay. I left some of the door open on purpose so he can hear me coughing. So I spilled some of the blood on the sink and I'm gonna be like just coughing. So I have to hide this. I have to put some. How do I look? I wish I can show you that sink, but it's. Oh my god.
You want some juggling? Mom, you want some juggling?
Oh my god.
Mom, it's a dumma pass up
I was coughing so hard and I started coughing blood.
Mom. It's a dumma from what?
Where's Dad? Where's Dad?
Mom.
Oh my god, is it coming from my nose?
Mom, it's Mom, hey you. What? Bro, what for? Make a plug with Mom. Make a plug for the blood. Mom, try it. Dad, Mom. No.
I don't know.
Where's the blood from your nose or from? Dad, Mom. Hey. Mom, yeah. Mom.
I mean,
Dad. Mom.
I'm sorry. I'm with my blood.
I'm literally shaking.
Look.
Mom.
Look at my head. It's not good. I really have a headache now. Oh my god. Oh, let me show you. Shit,
I'm literally sweating and
I'm so sorry. Hold on. The blood is not coming.
Mom, when you started laughing like to tell me it was a prank, I thought you were like you passed out. I didn't know you were like laughing. When you fell to the floor laughing, I thought that was like you fell because you passed out.
So did I?
What have I done? First, Brian pranked me with the sandwich like 2 days ago. Then you pranked me today.
Okay, but I haven't pranked you. Never, huh?
I don't remember.
For all the prank you did.
I don't honestly. Have you ever pranked?
Look. Ooh. Remember that? Well, when you were like touching me, you were shaking. Like, should I keep going? Yeah, shaking. Why not?
I was trying to ask you, what did you throw it up? Did you cough? Did it come from your nose? Where's the blood coming from?
I have it on my.
That's what I was trying to ask you, and then my dad wasn't answering. And even when you fell to the floor, like to tell me it was a prank, I thought you fell to the floor like because you fucking passed out, not because you were laughing.
I tried to make it longer,
I'm
but
literally
I felt bad.
Sweating.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I was editing my video.
It was all your nasty brain.
No, that's what I thought. That's what I thought in my head. I was like, please tell me that the blood is coming from like your nose and not throwing it up because you had just drank all the things from my video.
And you remember I started coughing for a reason after that. Hey, you're Brawadis and you've been pranked by Mama Rug.
I barely even do pranks. Like, I understand if I prank everyone in the family, they gotta get me back. When was the last prank? I don't do that many pranks and I keep getting pranked.
This is for the worst one you did to me, beside the pregnant one with Jackie, was when you called me in the car and you said you got, oh my God.
The pregnant one with Jackie isn't even gonna be a prank soon. That shit's gonna be real.
You wish.
I don't wish, but it's gonna happen.
You wish. Well, you better not sue. I'm not ready to be a grandma.
Oh my god. First the crickets. I've been pranked 2 times in a matter of like 48 hours or 3 days.
Ask yourself why.
I don't know why. I've been sitting in my room and edit my videos all day. I play basketball. I don't do anything bad.
Oh, let's do the outro.
What was that then? Was that the outro?
Oh, that? No, like, Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this little bloody prank on Brawadis. Finally, I got him for all the pranks that he done to me. So, I'm sorry, but oh well. It was fun.
Mom, you still have the blood like under your nose. It's not going away.
Oh no, really?
What was that? Was it actual fake blood or like ketchup?
Remember when Brian pranked me with the falling down? I still have the bottle.
Guys, honestly, I would have known it was a prank, but the video we just did, my mom had to drink like soy sauce.
I told them, you guys have to watch the thing. It was so nasty drink, and I pretend to be coughing after, and they were asking me, are you okay, Mom? Are you okay, Mom?
That's why. So I pretty much set myself up for this prank.
Oh yeah, you deserve it. You made your bed, you sleep in it. Is that how they say it?
They say you don't shit where you sleep.
Oh, okay. So I hope you guys enjoy. Drop a like if you like. Papa Rook is not here to say that.
Yeah, and where is my dad? I was calling him the whole time.
Yeah, I know. Would he come to rescue? He doesn't even know I'm doing this. I swear.
He would come to rescue if you told him there's like a Netflix show on TV that he could watch while helping you.
Oh, after that? Okay, we'll do that. I hope you guys enjoy. Drop a like. Thank you for watching.
I need to stop getting pranked. Anytime something happens from now on, I'm going to look for the camera right away.
I know.
But you haven't pranked me. I don't... Mom,
oh, yeah? No,
I don't know if you've ever pranked me.
No, this was the first one. Was it good?
I thought me and my mom were a team. Like, she always pranks Brian, but she never pranks me. I thought I was a safe one in the household.
I was saving it, thinking about something big. And this one, I hope this was good enough.
Mom, I need to finish editing my video.
I know, I said he's editing, he's sitting.
She ruins me on the clock at work.
I'm sorry. It's been Mama Rug.
It's been Brandon Awadis, aka Brawadis.
And Bloody Mama Rug. Peace. Love you guys.